Yeah, it's going to briefly flash my 14 emails. Yeah, briefly flash them. Fuck's sake. Anyway, guys, welcome to the host going on. Forwards, bring you the whole bloody thing. Right, let's get modeling. So what I've been starting to model here is the app extension that I need. So this will go on one printer. So I'm going to do I just realized I can hear myself in the background for the plane, so I'll turn that off. Um, yeah, I think this is done. Everything's ready. So I'm look at it. Unless I so what needs to be okay, so what I'm thinking of doing is the lush can only has this one here. Because that's the only one I really need to reset it. Goes over. Where do I want it inside? I should go on the outside one. To be honest, I don't even know why I'm doing the lip, like how I've done it. It doesn't change its overall thickness on the outside, it's just the inside only like that. So I just intentionally shrunk the inside. That's fine. So I need to export this. That's too it hasn't, it's done that. So I'll open up that. I'll then go to the main home and then let's try and find the model that previously done for the amps connectors, especially connectors, and then the codes which I might find off the printers. Let's get them right, it's going to be a pain. But it's actually connectors I'd rather make myself. Yeah. That might be where we just update, making it look like a phone charger. If this one glitched. This one's glitched, it's hollow, apparently, even though it shows it's solid output goes. That's probably one I've updated. All of these, if I'm correct, 12. This is 12.7. I believe what I've used on up. Well, yeah, look, 12.6. So I updated this T to 12.6. I don't think I was updating it all the way around. So yeah, I need to update this to 12.6. 12.6. Good thing is that once I update the other one to 12.6 as well. Let's update this. As we start doing work with 1. Then it's 12.6 high as well. Looking uniform. And 6 as well. Okay, so this one is good. So what I'm going to do is move the ones that have been not modified. So this one's been modified. And let's come back now, and I've made it wider as well so it can set the tube better. I don't know if it's fully shifting it. It looks centered. So that's what I might do with this. I might make it maybe 32 mil. So I think 23. So I'll do it 23, 23. See how that does look big. By 23. I'll do 25, so then that. No, it does look a little bigger. Just like that. Yeah, it's 22. Tube holes. 12.6 by. Also, I think that changes this whole section of this, which is good. 12.6, height, 12.6, or is it 12.7? I'm doing 12.6. If it's too loose, I can always do it to 12.7. Just because I've got to run another print, which can take, what, half an hour? But that's all day-ish. And it's all good doing like a slice print, but you gotta think, slice printing, when you're doing that, you've got to worry about when you're printing it in real life, not all the time is it going to be in that orientation or that layer. It might be that you print it how it is like now, but then with the slice you print it so you want to know that the tube fixing is open, so you'll print this facing down, so it prints perfectly a circle, layer heights are going around rather than lines back and forth like this would be. If you're printing it, it'll go like this. But if you print this facing down, it'll go like this. So the layer, the tolerance is gonna be way different if you do it. Just print one of these and just sacrifice one of these. Just do it like very low quality print. If fits in the local, it's going to fit in high quality. Strengthening strengths. This. Good. I mean, to be honest, I'm not going to be using these key pieces, these quad pieces yet, like 4-ways or the keys, anytime soon. But I'd rather fine tune them now, have them ready, than have to need it and then have to go through doing this now and struggle. So one of those weird things, put it that way. Right, okay, so we've modified that one. You can bloody going nuts on the group chat. Bloody insane. Well, just each of the 16 knots. That's just charged up for that. Hated on WhatsApp doesn't show everything down when you do this. Right, okay, so these three are theoretical terms ready. So when I come out of the nest, I need to do a 90, to then do another 90. But I prefer not to be doing multiple 90s. I'd rather let the tube just run as it pleases. As an unobstructed dip. Because eventually I'm going to have them right in front of me, running across the tube, right across. Either I'll have them running across here, eye height, or down here. I might have them up here, you know. And I might have that little spiral thing. So that's what I'll do now. I'll highlight these, export these as STL, so they're ready. I have it up here, I can just go through my things and print it. I'll get the Raspberry Pi Octoprint thing set up and set, so I can just send it to that. Or just do the SD cards. I need to clear the printers as well, so that'll give me something to do in a second. So I'll model the next thing. The next thing is going to be a spiral tube tower thing. Create a new one. Tube. It needs to be out, so it needs to be dead on 13. So I'll do it with this. With this. Then, or I think height and answer. Wait, okay. And keeping Depot to come over. Yeah, look. And keeping Depot to come over. Yeah, look, wait, okay. Well, go. But you can sell the outlet anymore. Outlet. Oh no, okay. Decorated naked. no matches. And Keeping Depot is American, right? Well, 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 was it? Yeah, and Keeping Depot is American, then. The creators still the stock on from the different manufacturers. Well, it seems that we took over them, or we just don't have any stock left from them. So just try to find if I take that. Now I'm actually thinking deep data is it just that they've got a section for the actual website, high-tech, high-tech Amps website has gone. Their website, the Facebook page gone? No, their Facebook page is still here. There you go. Doing some maintenance. I can see that at the top there. But the website's in a parked state. Yeah, look, thank you for visiting. We appreciate you saying bye. You may have noticed over the past 12 to 18 months that we have not been active on social media. Our website still hasn't been as fully stocked as we'd like. This is due to a combination of factors, including busy family lives, consequent and more. Stop operating hypertension, managing stock, carrying orders, keeping okay operations is no longer feasible for us at this time. We have sold our designs to Ants HQ and British Ants HQ. Okay. Ants HQ is the guy you need to go to see the thing you can still put it. Okay. Now what were they saying? Will be delayed very shortly, and all kits should be available very soon. We are still looking to sell. This website, obviously without the products and customer data, which will be deleted very shortly. So they don't even have records of customers anymore. There's nothing on the website at all. Literally, look, if you go to here, it will literally just say the same thing. It's literally there's nothing anymore on it. The website is literally dead. Another phone number probably goes to someone, but Ants HQ has former clearance. Just have a look in general. If it is just a generalised thing. Oh look, it says it's sell one too. There you go. Shop former clearance. Just takes a little while for it to load. Does seem like that it's Geostone. So if you want to try Geostone, I might just sort of start doing the correct nests. I might just go to Geostone. Geostone. Okay. Flooring and crafting with precision from stone and white, and it's from stone and white from for durability. Okay, so it's just like a weird name for it, I suppose. Oh, look, there you go. That's a high-tech ants. Formulab. They called it Formulab. Yeah, they've rebranded it. Instead of high-tech ants, they've rebranded it to Formulab. So, I've got what is the large. I've got the high-tech ants Formulab Outlawed Large. That is more than what I paid. I paid $125 for it. So I hope I don't break anything, but all the stuff should be the same. Let's go have a quick look. Sorry, I'm deviating there. I want to have a look at it and see widget didn't load. What are you on about widget didn't load? Widget didn't load. Appreciate your energy. I'm connected to the internet. Otherwise I wouldn't be able to go back right now. Quick view. Does the pop-up not work? Does the widget? Is stuff broken on the website? You gotta think about it, it's this time of the year of when people are going to start buying stuff ready for the new year. Sorry if anyone's commenting, I can't see it at the moment. I will have my second screen at some point. Okay, so a few PayPal, but hang on, what have they changed? Oh, they've changed. Oh, that's very clever. You know what they've done? You know what he's done, should I say? That's a thicker bottom, 100% a thicker bottom. Stop the design. So I don't see. There's no issue with the design that I currently have, and I've had it in harsh environments with crickets, mites, ants, soil, water, the lot. Like anything you could chuck it at, and it's held up. It's glued, which probably is a bad design. Glued products. I don't care. It works. It's good. It keeps them in. Keeps peace of mind. Just if a panel breaks, you've got to then clean it up and reglue it. But it looks like they've. Oh, sorry, girls, I'm disturbing you. It looks like they've got screws. Oh, each lid is screwed on. The lid is screwed on. It looks. It looks like no, the lid's not screwed on it, or is it? No, there's cutouts for it, but these pieces, instead of being like screwed on just with these two here, he's added two more to further support the acrylic on both sides and to keep it in its own situ. I think that's just a weaker point for this one here, to be honest. I do like this though, so I can remove the ports and I can modify it and make it how I want. Hi-Tech Ants, they had the vertical shaft bit, which is kind of what I want to do with that outward there. I want to have one of those on each of the exit ports. One, well, actually, I'll probably have one for them, just because. And then in the future, probably put one of those on. But then have one of those tower stackers so they can climb up, and then it distributes off to the nests. Because then I can then have that on a shelf. I could have it upside down, or I could have the outworld sat somewhere. Then I could have those climby things either upside down, sideways, or whatever. So it still allows them to have a little maze because I want to sort something out so they go right in front of me. I'd say. But that is cool. So at least I know, but it's more expensive though. Probably because it's thicker acrylic, and they only do the medium and the large. They don't do the XL like I was going to go. Hopefully he's improved the design to prevent Lasius from getting out of it, because I had to contact Hi-Tech Ants myself to get new support pieces you can see right there, because Lasius were getting out of it. I have the original bits in the ant section box, so it was a fun one. They've made packaging for it, look. They've gone out of their way and made packaging for it. So I'm wondering whether or not they're selling. Yeah, look, Leaf Cutter starter kit. They're selling them. They've created boxes for them. Oh look, they've got the leaf cutter things. But I bet you can't buy the starter kit until you've purchased a leaf cutter, or he hasn't just, or it's custom made at the time. Because I do want to get leaf cutters. Let me know if you want me to get leaf cutters as well. If you do, I think I'll get it. If there's quite a bit of support, I'll get them. But I just need to save up and get a few more bits done first, and then I can do this. Because leaf cutters, oh boy, that would be fun. Having them up on the shelf out of the way. I would have to have a bit, literally I'd have to make a shelf that has like UV heaters and then have a humidifier in there or something. It's going to be nuts. I'm going to do that. But at least I know where Hightech Ants stuff from that actually works. And it's from Ants HQ. It's like they've done boxes for it. Look, there's the nest I have. 70 quid, and they actually have a box for it. That's good. Before it came in just normal thing. Starter set, Formula medium, with a little outworld that comes with everything. Is it going to make it actually big, or is it just going to make it the same size as what that was? They have the plaster. Plaster. Okay, it's plaster they use. I have plaster. Gypsum plaster. I might try and use it to use some stuff. Yeah, look, they didn't even make it bigger. Literally, look, they've got the outworld and these bits here, which then goes to here. So, I do want to get the girls into these kind of nests, but it's keeping them hydrated, and I can't easily see them, and they can easily like chew through stuff. They probably would love that, to be honest. Not gonna lie. So I might try and clean out the gypsum nests that are under the bed in a bit, and give them to them. Might just connect instead of doing the long run thing. Or I might do that. Put it into a more better position of where it's warmer for them. Might just move that back. Let's keep this where it is, and then just do the gypsum nest. So if they move into the gypsum nest, that's perfect. I just need to take a mould of it. How much is Wukush's nest, or can I even buy it? Wow. Didn't do too many who's today now. Is he actually still going? I don't think he is. Still stuck on Xmas from on the 23rd of Jan. But he has updated all. Look how cheap his stuff is, though. Large, you saw how much the large outworlds were from, well, former Hightech Ants, but now Ants HQ. It was like 136. Large one here, which is the same dimensions as that one over there that I've got, which is 20 by 40. I bet you this is 20 by 40, isn't it? 20 by 16. Okay. XL, 20 by 20. Okay, that's not bad, but it's a square rather than a rectangle, so most people benefit from that, and that's bloody massive. And in fact, they come up from the ground, it's probably more their style, more answer style coming out. And look, it's all gypsum. I need to find out where to buy gypsum from. Oh, there you go, gypsum powder, no, glass. the gypsum plaster of Paris. I think that's what it. Yeah, there you go. Gypsum plaster of Paris. Fine casting. It does break quite easily. I might try and use the plaster that I used for wall plastering. Might even be finishing plaster. And yeah, an estimated from different plasters, moisture retaining how to go. Come on. There you go. Pipes. DIY. By pouring plaster into the mold. I know that. I just want to know what plaster. Do I need silicone plaster for that? Oh, this is not a problem with the IPS community, but rather than your contact your host and copy the message for them. Direct measure change the database management system and experience database operation. Okay. There's issues.